Paneer Pyaz Bread. I'm going to see atta, salt, sugar, yeast, oil, add water and form a dough. So once the dough is formed, so now this we are going to rest for 30 minutes. Onions, grated onions, paneer, jeera powder, chilies. Salt we are going to add at the last so that onions will not leave water. Combine evenly. I'm adding chili flakes. Salt we will add later, and this we are going to leave it until our dough is ready. So you can see it's nicely rested. Now we are going to add the stuffing inside for our Pyaz Paneer Bread parata. So we have not added salt because we don't want our onion to reach water. Now I am adding the salt. So we are going to divide the dough.